Welcome to our tutorial about Windows hardware requirements. In this tutorial, we're going to review the specific hardware requirements for running Cubase on a Windows platform. To use Cubase, your computer must meet the following minimum requirements: Windows XP, either the Home or Professional editions. You need at least a 1.4 GHz processor. You need at least 512 megabytes of RAM. A Windows DirectX compatible audio hardware or ASIO compatible audio hardware. You need a display resolution of at least 1024 by 768 pixels or you won't be able to see the full screen. You need the Steinberg key, and you need some USB ports on your computer. You need a DVD-ROM drive, that's to install the software. And of course, you need an internet connection so you can activate your license. At Steinberg's website, under Support, DAW Components, you can find a lot of information about how to set up your computer system for working with a digital audio workstation. Now be sure to defragment your hard drive regularly. Defragmentation reorganizes the data on your hard drive to optimize performance. It's especially important when you work with audio files that you defragment regularly. If you're installing Cubase for the first time, I suggest you defragment your hard drive before you get started. To defragment your hard drive, click Start and then Control Panel, choose Performance and Maintenance, and then rearrange items on your hard disk to make programs run faster. This launches Microsoft's Disk Defragmenter. You can also use a third-party software for this too. Let's talk about your audio hardware, like your external or internal sound card. It needs to support stereo recording. That means it's got to have two inputs at the same time. It needs to support at least 16-bit recording, a 44.1 kilohertz sample rate, and it should come with an ASIO driver or a DirectX compatible driver. Professional sound cards come with ASIO drivers written especially for the card. They let it communicate with Cubase. By the way, ASIO stands for Audio Stream Input and Output. This is a technology that Steinberg developed to synchronize communication between the inputs, the card, the computer, Cubase, and the outputs, and to do it with the minimum amount of delay. It's a good idea to keep your driver updated to the latest version, so do check the manufacturer's website occasionally for that. It's better if your sound card has an ASIO driver. This will improve your computer's performance. If your sound card only communicates via DirectX, that's okay. Cubase will support this too. DirectX is a Microsoft driver for handling multimedia data in Windows. If your card didn't come with the DirectX driver, check the manufacturer's website. And this concludes our overview of Windows system and hardware requirements.